Hello, welcome back to Sustainable Sunday. Back to plastic. Let's talk about these guys. Yes, we have one in our house, and yes, it will be leaving our house. I just need to figure out how to dispose of it. I don't know if it's recyclable, but I'll do some research. These contain all sorts of bacteria. You can't really clean them. They're just like wet until you shower the next day, and then it's just spreading all this junk. This is an actual loofah. These are pretty cool. They are grown from a loofah, and they are basically kind of a big cucumber, and then they let them grow. Once they die, they peel the skin off, and it kind of leaves this gelatin thing. So you can get this wet. It's not gonna lather up and be crazy like the plastic thing, or not buying new plastic. So this is a great alternative. It's sustainable, it's compostable. These are antimicrobial. I also prefer this to what you can find out there that are labeled as sustainable wool sea sponges. They say that they're sustainable, that they don't disturb the environment, that they cut them off and then it grows back and all this, but I just have a problem believing that cutting something out of the ocean doesn't disturb anything in the ocean. I don't know. I don't believe it. Sometimes there are sea creatures that live around it or that are feeding in that area, and it is disturbing it in some way. These are grown on land. I could grow one if I wanted to. I'll buy it and support someone's business. Another alternative, washcloths. Just throw in the wash when they get dirty in the laundry. I've had this one for 6 years. Let's get rid of these. I've also seen the Honest Company has some sort of sponge made out of some sort of root. That one looks like a good choice. I'm all about things that are grown on land without invading the sea, because we can't really grow back anything in the sea. Let's replace these with these or these and stop buying plastic. One more time. Gross, dirty, yucky. Yay, clean, nice. Thanks for tuning in. See you next Sunday.